We are so excited to finally introduce to you the all-new aluminum ramps from Norstar. They are lighter, they are stronger, and they are built to last. Take a look. Steel on one side, aluminum ramps on the other side. Steel is heavy, it's clunky, and it wears you out. Aluminum ramps are half the weight. They are so easy to pull out, they are so easy to mount, and it's still got the strength to handle it all. Check out the traction points. It's got deeper grooves, it's got more grip, and because they're all aluminum, no rust. They will look great year after year. And we didn't just build it, we tested it. Check this out. That's right, the aluminum ramps outperformed the steel ramps across the board. So here it is, this is the upgrade. They are lighter, they are stronger, and they are built to last. If you would like more information on these aluminum ramps, please check us out at norstarcompany.com or call your sales rep today.